Hi everybody, this is Plug Spinner, and today we're going to pick this Mako 427 padlock. So I was originally going to try and pick this Medico cam, but I haven't been able to get into it a single time, even off camera, so I'm going to wait on that one. And yeah, so I asked you guys on Instagram if you would rather I pick the Mako 427 or the Master Lockout Tagout, and you guys picked the Mako, so that's what we're going to do. It is a brass body, hardened steel shackle, and a 6-pin core, full of security pins, serrated and spooled, and it does work perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and start picking, and then after that we will show you what's inside. Okay, so we are going to use a Sparrow's heavy bar for top of keyway tension. And this is just a standard hook made by Lockpick Extreme. Pin 3 is binding. Actually, let's reset. He kind of mushed. Okay, 3 again. Got some dull clicks out of 3. Pin 1. Pin 2. That was 1 again. 3. Another click out of 3. 4. Couple clicks out of 4. That was 1 again. 6 and a little rotation on the core. Pin 2, definitely getting some counter rotation on 2. Okay, we lost our counter rotation. Sorry, my hand is cramping. I'm gonna release a little tension. Okay, nothing happened. So maybe I'm mistaken. Oh, it was 6, and we got an open. So I think 6 was just like drop down maybe 1 serration, because it felt like it was about to open, but then it seized up. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and gut this. All we need is a Phillips head screwdriver to get the lock body out. Or to get the core out, sorry. Okay, there's our screw. Here's our core, and these do come with anti-bypass wafers. So I'm gonna lock this up because I do have a key. Then we're gonna take off that C-clip. Okay, there we go. And we're going to put the key in and only turn the key 90 degrees because it has holes on the bottom for easy rekeying. So if you twist it 180, all those key pins will fly out. Okay, and I'm actually going to shim this because if you see here, there's some ridges and I don't want the pins getting stuck in there. So hopefully I can sneak this in there. Okay, it's in. Just a little bit, enough to bridge it to the plug follower. Okay, we can take that shim out, and we'll start with the plug. So in the first chamber, we have a serrated. Second chamber is serrated. Third is standard. 4th is standard. 5th is a standard, and the 6th pin is serrated. Now let's go to the Bible. Here's my tweezers. Okay, first chamber is serrated. Second chamber. Sorry, I can't get it out. There we go. Spool, just a regular spool, not serrated. Whoa, that's not good. I'll do the rest and then I'll go try to find that pin. Okay, pin 4 is spool. 5 is a spool. And 6 is a standard. Okay, so now that we have all that out, I'm gonna go try to find that pin, and depending on how long it takes, I might cut the video, but let's see. Okay, so I did need to cut the video because I needed my phone's flashlight to find this, but we did find it, so crisis averted. It is a serrated driver pin, so we'll put him where he belongs, and I'll give you a close-up. So as you can see, we have 3 serrated key pins, and then the rest are standard. And we have 2 serrated drivers, 2 spool drivers, and then 1 standard driver. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you did enjoy, and thank you for watching.